Brother JB for being elected unanimously as the party leader of the Democratic Party. We all know the founding leader, whom I had the honor to serve as his vice president, and is very elaborately displayed before us, the late Honorable Mwai Kibaki. As we move ahead, we want to make it very clear, that we shall hold together. We hold no grudge. We hold no grudge against anyone, but we hold grudge against corruption, misrule, impunity, the killing of our people. What happened in Othaya over the weekend is domestic terrorism. And we are taking legal action to do private prosecution of those individuals who have been identified as perpetrators. Because we realize if we don't, Kasongo will continue to take this country for granted. Number two, we are giving notice that Kenyans are not going to take this lying down. We are going to Vigilante House as a starting point for that prosecution. We will serve that complaint, and after that complaint, we will take action. Thirdly, I see the movement is alert. We are going to call for one forum for all the one-term movement candidates everywhere in the country to get together and agree, because that is how we are now also going to bolster our voter registration numbers when we call on everybody. So we stand united, very, very united, and the country takes note, the international community knows we're dealing with a pariah nation. May God bless DP. May God bless our brother JB for standing so strong and able. And may God bless Kenya. Amen.